there, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie and you've just tuned into my channel Farmanat, right? So this is my first official video introducing my channel. This is not my first YouTube channel, but this YouTube channel is dedicated solely towards home gardening tips and tricks, things that I've learned along the way. I have been doing some home gardening now for approximately a year and a half, roughly. And it started out last year when my husband started to sprout seeds. I found it to be boring initially, and then he would plant them and then I would actually see them start grow. And I don't know, it was very interesting to me, and I ended up honestly just taking over the whole project. And there's just something fulfilling and calming and therapeutic about planting something and watching it grow so much so that it actually gives you fruit. You know, the Bible says the Lord has given us everything we need for life and godliness, and sometimes the things that we need in life are right in our backyard, are right, and they can be accessible to us. So I'm just really taking advantage of this nice journey in my gardening space at home. So the inspiration to actually start this video came from my mom. She was here the other day and she did some content and wanted me to do a tour of my garden for her audience, and I ended up doing it. And to my surprise, it actually got a good amount of feedback from her. People were asking her questions. What kind of suggestions does she have about, you know, what to plant, when to plant? And of course, my mom does not know how to answer the questions. So she was encouraging me that I need to do a follow-up video, and she's like, you should make a YouTube channel. I'm like, Mommy, I don't have time for that. And I still don't have time, but I'm like, you know what? With much thought, I'm like, it doesn't hurt to actually share what I know and what I've learned along the way. So that's the inspiration behind this channel. So what can you expect? I do not have historically a green thumb, right? I always consider myself to have a brown thumb. So I know I'm coming into my own, and I've learned a lot along the way. I'm no expert, I'm a novice, I'm an apprentice as I call myself, but I've learned a lot dealing with different pests, you know, when to plant certain things, when not to plant certain things, the importance of planting certain things that match your zone, you know, just little things like that. So with that being said, I actually want you to tell me what you'd actually like to see from this channel as it relates to gardening, or if you have any questions as it relates to gardening. I'll be very open to your feedback in the comment section. I will actually link below I'll leave the link, I should say, in the description of the video that my mom actually posted of the tour of my garden. But I'll definitely be doing a personal, more in-depth tour to you all within the next couple of days, just to kind of show you guys what I'm working with right now. Just to give you guys a synopsis, I do occupy part of my patio space for my gardening, and I also have some things in the back. Haven't fully completely, you know, done my backyard because I don't have that big of a space, and I do live in an HOA community, so I try to do everything within the regulations. But yeah, it's been fun. So if you are an apprentice, or if you're just interested, or if you have questions, stick around. Please consider subscribing. Do yourself a favor and subscribe, and come alongside the journey with me. I look forward to doing this more frequently. Until next time, my dear, bye bye.